the senses. The auditory system. You're sitting outside, and in the distance you hear a bird chirping. The sound travels to the pinna and enters the ear canal. It then reaches the tympanic membrane, and here the sound waves are turned into vibrations and moves through the ossicles. The three ossicles are the meatus, incus, and the stapes. Next, the vibrations enter the cochlea. The cochlea is filled with liquid and covered with hair cells. When the hair cells move, it sends signals to the auditory nerve. The auditory nerve then sends the signal throughout the brain, and it finally reaches the primary auditory cortex. And this is how hearing works. The olfactory system. Air is inhaled into the nasal cavity. Olfactory receptors connect to odor molecules. Next, a signal is sent to the olfactory bulb. Inside the olfactory bulb, the odors are processed and create metrial cells. Metrial cells perform the function of transmitting information to the metrial axon cells, which go to the olfactory cortex. And this is how smell works. The gustation system. You're eating pasta and the food touches your tongue. On the tongue there are many bumps called papillae, and they contain taste buds, and they have taste bud receptors that send messages to the facial nerves and connects to the hypothalamus, and then the taste signal is received in the primary taste cortex, and this is how taste works. Vision. Do you look out at the window and you see a car? Some of the light hits your cornea and the light passes through your pupil. After that, the light shines through to the lens. Here, the light bends, creating an upside-down reflection of the car on the back of your eyeball. In the back of your eyeball, the picture reaches the retina. The retina is made up of 5 layers. Here, a signal passes through the ganglion cells, the amacrine cell, the bipolar cell, the horizontal cells, and finally the rods and cones. Next, a signal is sent through the optic nerve, and the signal travels through the visual pathway, which includes the optic chiasm, the optic tract, the LGN, the optic radiations, and ends in the primary visual cortex, and this is how you see.